If your Discord microphone volume is too low, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step using both Discord settings and your Windows microphone settings, so you can get your voice coming through loud and clear. This is a really common issue, especially if Discord is picking the wrong microphone, your mic volume is set too low, or Windows input settings are limiting how much sound your computer is actually receiving. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix, and you do not need any advanced software or technical experience to solve it. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. It helps the channel a lot, and it lets you know when new troubleshooting videos are posted. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord or the Discord desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, look down near your username and find the gear icon. This is your user settings menu. Click that gear icon to open your Discord settings. Now, in the left-hand menu, scroll until you find Voice and Video and click on it. This section controls all of your audio input and output settings inside Discord, so this is where we'll make the first important adjustment. Under the microphone section, make sure you select the correct microphone. Sometimes Discord automatically picks the wrong device, especially if you have a headset, laptop mic, USB mic, or webcam mic connected at the same time. So take a moment here and choose the microphone you actually want to use. Once the correct microphone is selected, look for the microphone volume slider. If your voice sounds too quiet, this may simply be set too low. Increase the slider gradually until the volume is at a better level. You do not want to jump straight to max if you do not need to, but raise it enough so Discord can clearly pick up your voice. After adjusting the volume, use the mic test feature if it's available in your version of Discord. Click on mic test and speak into the microphone normally. Watch carefully to see whether Discord is reading your voice properly. If the test shows activity and your voice sounds stronger, that's a great sign that the issue is being fixed. If it still sounds too low, or if Discord still isn't picking up your voice properly, the next step is to check your Windows microphone settings, because Discord can only use the input level that Windows is sending to it. Press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open settings. From there, go to System, then click Sound. On the Sound page, look for the Input section. Under Input, select your microphone again to make sure Windows is using the same device you want Discord to use. Now find the Input volume slider and increase it. This is one of the most important settings for microphone level issues, because if your Windows input volume is too low, Discord will also receive a weak signal. Raise the slider until the level looks strong enough. Next, speak into your microphone and watch the input level indicator. You want to see the input level moving correctly when you talk. If the bar is barely moving, then your mic is still too quiet or the wrong input device may be selected. If the level moves clearly when you speak, that means Windows is receiving your microphone properly. At this point, go back to Discord and test the mic again. In many cases, just changing the Discord mic volume and the Windows input volume is enough to completely fix the problem. If your voice is still low after that, double-check that you are not using the wrong microphone in either place. Discord and Windows both need to be pointed at the same correct input device. A simple device mismatch is one of the most common reasons people think their mic is broken when it is really just set to the wrong source. Also, if you are using a headset or external microphone, make sure it's fully connected and not muted physically on the device itself. Some microphones have a mute switch or a built-in volume control that can make your voice seem much quieter than expected. Once you've adjusted the Discord settings, increase the Windows input volume, and confirm that your mic test is working, you should be good to go. Your Discord microphone should now sound much louder and clearer. If this video helped you fix your Discord mic issue, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.